Welcome back to the van. Today we're going to do a final push on finishing everything on the list, which means the van build will be done. All of the pieces for the bed are cut and painted. Now I just need to put them in. When we do that, I can add the electrical, finish all of this, trim out everything, and put the closet door up. That's it. That's what we're going to do today. I'm going to do a little touch-up paint, which really is the last step. So that means it's time to get started. I wanted to be able to fill up water into the blue tank without getting it out of the van. This is the water access for the hose. This is so that I can see where it's going. This piece of trim is going on the step, and I'm gonna have a piece go here and across here, and I really want them to come together in a nice corner. So what I did is I made little cardboard templates. So on top of measuring, I'm also going to use these to draw the angle. I'm putting the walls up for the bed, but I have to do the electrical box first. I already have the hole cut for it. I just need to make sure I put it in the right spot. The other thing I have to do before I can put any of the walls up is put a hinge in for the closet door. I'm going to do that now. The closet door is still being painted, but I'm going to use the same piece of wood to measure out where the hinge should be. I cut all these molding pieces to really finish off this wall. If they all fit, it'll be perfect. I'll paint them, put them up real fast. These have been really helpful. I love the way it looks on this wall. It'll be nice to finish it off over here and really follow up with that. It's also a good way to cover up all of your little mistakes. It's the end of the day. I'm seeing what else I can do. I pulled the wires through so that we can wire that tomorrow. I really thought we would make it today, but the electrical still needs wired. I need to do some touch-up painting, and I have to get that closet door on. Three more things. Here is a look at what the van looks like right now, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning to finish these last few things. Welcome to the last day of building. I am wrapping up all of the small projects. We're wiring up the electrical, adding the closet door. We're going to open that mattress and doing all of the touch-up paint and the little details that need done before pulling the van out for the last time. I have thought for weeks that I'm so close to finishing this van, but it really is almost done. It feels absolutely crazy to think that this is the last day, but it's time to get started and it's time to get it done. Getting on things today, the closet door was not sturdy enough as it was, so I added those boards. The electrical is finally finished. Outlet and light switch is under the bed. Lights are on. It's ready to be plugged into the Jackery. I'm finishing up filling all the nail holes from yesterday, and then I'm gonna add some paint here. When the closet door is dry, it's gonna go up. That means after that, the only thing left is touch-up paint and the magnetic door stops. Courtney showed up to help. She's gonna add the RV latches to the door that will go on each of the drawers. It takes 10 pounds of pressure to pull these out, so as I'm driving, the drawers won't move in and out. There's a lot of different options with magnets and different stuff. I'm gonna use magnets on the closet door, but these will be perfect for the drawers. She is gonna figure out how to get those installed so that we can mark one more thing off the list. While she does that, I'm gonna add the trim to the step to finish that off. We officially have 4 things left on the list. I'm gonna work on that side table. I found these brackets on Amazon. Of course, they'll be linked in the description. It should pop up and down really easily. I'm gonna add this extra piece of countertop. It should sit flat when I have it down and then pop right up and add extra counter space. Hope it's easy to use and that it looks good. The RV poles are in. Courtney did such a good job on every single one. You have to attach this and then line up the drawer. She's really the reason we have a list because she loves lists so much. I'm happy she was able to cross something off of it. I'm gonna cross off this side table because it is installed. It's just getting another coat of sealant. That leaves the closet door and touch-up paint. We are gonna get started on that closet door and then do touch-up paint. I just leaned against the bed I painted. It is almost 11 o'clock at night and we are genuinely trying to wrap this up very fast. That's good. I think this is a sign that it's about it. I'm gonna repaint that wall. It's time to finally put the mattress on the bed. This was dry enough for us to put it in. Just that easy. That is the last thing we are doing today. Everything is done. I I can't believe it. I can't believe the bed's up. I can't believe it's actually finished. In true van build fashion, it is nearly midnight. Courtney decided that we would knock it out tonight and just get it done, and I'm so happy that we did because it's finished. Thank you for following along on the van build. I thought it would take 4 weeks. It has taken 8 weeks to get here, but I'm so happy with how everything turned out. It is worth it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that button because I'm headed out to every national park as soon as I get moved in. If you enjoyed the van build and how it turned out, give the video a big like, and I'll see you in a few days when I move in.